let's give you some netball before we get to that story then and tell you that Jamaica's Sunshine Girls will be without one of their main weapons for the Horizon Netball Series against England, as ace goal shooter and captain Jhaniele Fowler-Nembhard has withdrawn from the squad. Confirmation of Fowler-Nembhard's unavailability came from Netball Jamaica via a press release less than 24 hours after TVJ Sports reported coach Sasha Gay Henry as saying that the world-rated shooter was nursing an injury. Veteran goal shooter Romelda Aiken-George has been named as the replacement for Fowler-Nembhard in the squad, which left the island on Friday for the two-game series against the Vitality Roses. Fowler-Nembhard was forced to withdraw from the series on the advice of the medical team. The nature of the injury has not been disclosed. Coach Sasha Gay Henry reiterated that while they are disappointed that Fowler-Nembhard will miss the series, she has full confidence in the rest of the squad. The first two games of the series will be played on November 16 and 17 at the AO Arena in Manchester, England. The teams will then switch their attention to the Jamaican leg to be played inside the National Indoor Sports Centre on November 25 and 26.